Hello, gardening enthusiasts. Today we're going to explore the world of Hypertufa, a lightweight and porous material perfect for creating unique and charming planters. Hypertufa provides excellent drainage and insulation for your plants. It's also a fun and rewarding project for the whole family. Hypertufa is a mixture of Portland cement, peat moss, perlite and water. These ingredients work together to create a durable yet lightweight material that resembles natural stone. You can easily mold Hypertufa into any shape you desire, allowing you to unleash your creativity and craft one-of-a-kind planters. Before we begin our Hypertufa journey, let's gather the necessary materials. Don't worry, you won't need anything too complicated. You'll need Portland cement, peat moss and perlite. These are readily available at your local garden centre. In addition to the main ingredients, you'll need water, a sturdy mixing container, a trowel or your gloved hands for mixing, and cardboard boxes in various sizes for creating your molds. Remember to protect your work surface with a plastic sheet or tarp. Safety first, always wear gloves and a dust mask when handling cement. Now let's dive into the exciting part, mixing and molding. Start by combining 1 part Portland cement, 1.5 parts peat moss and 1.5 parts perlite in your mixing container. Mix these dry ingredients thoroughly until well combined. Gradually add water to the dry mix, stirring constantly until you achieve a thick, porridge-like consistency. The mixture should hold its shape when squeezed without dripping excessively. Now grab your cardboard boxes and let's create some molds. Once your Hypertufa planter has cured and dried completely, it's time for the most rewarding part, planting. The porous nature of Hypertufa makes it an ideal home for various plants, especially those that prefer well-draining soil. Succulents, with their low water requirements and striking appearance, are an excellent choice for Hypertufa planters. Alpines, known for their hardiness and preference for sharp drainage, will also thrive in this environment. You can also experiment with herbs, ferns, or even miniature evergreens to add a touch of greenery to your surroundings.